Hey, what is up guys, welcome to my channel. A few years ago, we all know the dopest budget phone brand in India was Xiaomi's Redmi phones. Breaking that, Oppo has released the cheapest budget phone in the world with lots of features, so let's get on to its unboxing. So it is completely sealed like Apple, now let's tear it off. Oh, that must be easy. Okay, it has an attractive stylish design. It is really very shiny. It has been sealed. The seal has been broken. So I bought the 3GB 32GB variant. I thought it was the best bang for the buck. Look at it. It is made in India and it's designed by Oppo. Yeah, it's 3GB 32GB variant. It's diamond black color. Now let's cut off its seal. Let's cut it up. Oh, that was hard. It's not coming. Let's try it again. Yeah, it came out. Now let's take off this. Ooh, that's in slow motion. Okay, that has come out. It has a cardboard cover. Now let's take it off. It's just like the Apple. Inside it has a silicone transparent cover, microfiber cloth, SD card adapter, manual, quick start guide, and things like that. You can see these are the things we get in here. Now there's the actual device itself. That is the Realme One, the world's cheapest budget phone. Oh, it's a secret. I'll not show you. What's missing in there? What's missing in there? Oh, there's a data charger. No data transfer cable. Okay, that's flexible. Gus, what's the change in this? Something is missing. Yeah, you know it. The earphone is missing, but it has 502 ampere plus charger. This will charge 1 minute in 1%. So it's not focusing. Okay, let me there. Now let me clean this stuff up. Clean. No. This is what we get in the box. Oh, see ya. Now let's take off the seal in the mobile. Okay, that has a 30:9 aspect ratio display. Okay. This has a nice diamond black design. It has a diamond cuts. It has a fiber glass back. 30:9 aspect ratio display. While we boot up, let's check out its specifications. The Realme One has a MediaTek Helio P60 AI processor, Full HD IPS Plus display, Face ID, bokeh mode, 8 megapixel front camera, 30 megapixel rear camera, color OS 5.0, which is Oreo 502 ampere plus battery. That's not battery, that is a charger, and a micro USB 2.0. That's booted up. Now let's do a quick gaming and first impression. Okay, the first impression is quite good. I have done the setup. Let's play Guava Juice Top Tapper. That's a really nice game. You know, I'm a fan of Guava Juice. Oh no, there's a ghost. Let's tap it away. The touch is quite responsive. And the graphics is insane. So on display, I will give it a 4 out of 10. The only thing that I didn't like it is the memory management. It has a poor RAM management. It will only hold one app. If you want to change that, you can go to settings, battery, and you should disable 3 items in there. That I'll do in a future video. And on next week there will be a video coming. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, thanks for watching. See you there.